Welcome. Thanks for joining. Today, I'm going to share what we've learned about what it takes to be successful in e-commerce marketing in 2025 and how you can take advantage of AI to help sell more products and gain more customers. I'd like to quickly introduce myself. I'm Dan Hinckley, a co-founder of GoFish, an Agital company. At GoFish, we've helped thousands of businesses with their digital marketing efforts. We've helped e-commerce businesses like Joybird go from startup to being acquired by La-Z-Boy. I'm excited to talk to you today about AI and e-commerce marketing. So, let's talk about why AI matters for e-commerce today. It's not some future tech. It's already here, evolving fast, with breakthroughs happening almost daily. Customers are using it more and more, and by the end of 2025, 95% of customer support interactions are expected to be AI-powered. Brands are leaning in, making AI the backbone of e-commerce marketing, driving growth, personalizing experiences, and automating operations. AI isn't just transforming e-commerce marketing, it's what your competitors are using. This year, 9 out of 10 marketers plan to boost their AI budgets, and 65% of businesses already use AI regularly, double the rate from just 10 months ago. Why the surge in investment? Platforms like ChatGPT are now driving 8x more referral traffic to news sites than they did just 6 months ago. There are 3 main areas that AI is revolutionizing e-commerce marketing, and I'd like to jump into more detail on each of these. These include large language models, or LLMs, intelligent AI agents, and generative AI in media creation. We'll explore each of these to outline how you can use them to improve your marketing efforts. Let's first take a look at large language models. These include ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Claude. Large language models have been exploding in use. As of February 2025, ChatGPT is receiving over 400 million weekly users with 4.7 billion site visits a week. Visitors of ChatGPT use it to get answers, search the web, and learn about products they're considering purchasing. Businesses use it to power customer support chatbots that are available 24/7. We've also helped customers improve product descriptions, create website content, and improve the content published to social media through the assistance of LLM-powered AI. To get the most out of LLMs like ChatGPT, it's important to understand how they work. I'd like to spend a few minutes explaining the technical components of LLMs and how understanding them can help you get more out of ChatGPT for your e-commerce marketing efforts. We'll talk about tokenization, vector embeddings, and predictive modeling. First, tokenization. An important step for LLMs to be able to provide helpful responses to text input is for them to really be able to understand what the text means. To do that, LLMs go through a process of converting text into smaller parts. This process is called tokenization. Tokenization converts a sentence into individual words, parts of words, and punctuation. These smaller parts together help the LLMs understand the actual meaning of a sentence. For example, if we took the sentence, "We love cornfields," it means something very different if the word, or token, fields, is not included. It also has a slightly different meaning if it ends with a period versus an exclamation point. Tokenization with LLMs is the foundation for e-commerce marketing related to powering customer support chatbots, generating SEO-optimized product descriptions, and improving an e-commerce store search functionality. Next, vector embeddings. After text has been converted to tokens that help an LLM understand the meaning of the sentence, the text is converted to a number that represents the meaning of the text. Computers are able to process and work with numbers significantly faster than text. So these multiple dimension arrays, or vector embeddings that represent the meaning of a sentence, allow for LLMs to find and process text that's related to each other. Text that has similar meaning will have vector embeddings that are similar. And since the text meaning is represented as a number, LLMs and computer programs can use math to search and find other text, concepts, or answers that are similar or close to the initial text provided by a user. Why this matters for e-commerce marketing? The more specific text we give to LLMs like ChatGPT in our prompt, the better it can find similar text or meaning in its model and provide more specific and targeted responses. General input will get general responses. Specific and detailed input returns more robust responses. In the graph above, we've shown how a number that represents the meaning of different words may be graphed. Once we have the text number, we can see that concepts like SEO and PPC are closer together in meaning than, say, PPC and Shark. After an LLM like ChatGPT receives an initial text prompt, processes the text to understand it by using tokenization and vector embeddings, it uses predictive statistical models to predict what the next word should be as a response to the user. You can see in the graph above that after receiving the prompt, what's the best way to do competitive SEO research, that 92% of the time, the model would predict the next word would be identify, and it returns that response before predicting the next word. Other less likely words that could be next included use at 17% and define at 16%. LLMs predict the next word based on its understanding of the meaning of the prompt and the statistical likelihood of what the next word will be based on all its training data. For most LLMs, that means nearly the entirety of text published on the internet. So, how are users engaging with LLMs in relation to e-commerce? One of the primary ways is through search engines. Google has integrated its LLM into search and shopping results. These models take a search query to provide a response and select products in a way that's more conversational in nature. ChatGPT has released a search engine that provides similar responses to users looking for information about products. As a result, users that come to your site from search or ChatGPT may be further down the sales funnel and ready to buy. It's likely that they've had a conversation with ChatGPT and are more ready to make a purchase based on that discussion. Other ways that LLMs can help e-commerce marketing is by using vector embeddings of product review text to identify common themes in reviews. This can then be rewritten to enhance user-generated content that's unique to your products and pages, giving customers a better experience and helping with SEO efforts. This shift in search and user behavior towards interacting with LLMs means that users are getting a very personalized buying experience. Your e-commerce marketing efforts need to build on this personalization. Based on data you have, creating personalized product recommendations, improving on-site search suggestions based on other products users have looked at, and personalized marketing can help improve the customer experience and lead to increased sales. In fact, brands using AI-powered personalization see a 25% increase in revenue. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about AI agents. In 2025, you'll hear more and more about AI agents and how companies are using them to improve business efficiency. We'll investigate how these agents can help your e-commerce marketing efforts. Most people break AI agents down into two buckets. The first, agentic workflows, are used primarily for process-specific tasks that need the output of the work done to be very consistent and reliable. Think like an assembly line of tasks that an AI agent helps with during your business workflow. The second, an autonomous agent, acts independently to complete a task with a set of tools given to it to complete the task. These handle tasks similar to how a human would, and output or response may vary from one task to the next. AI-powered agentic workflows can be a game changer for your e-commerce business. It can help streamline processes like setting dynamic product pricing or helping generate personalized email marketing messages based on data gathered from customers. We've used it to streamline our SEO research process for page-level improvements. Agentic workflows are best for e-commerce businesses that want to increase speed and personalization of marketing while still maintaining human oversight. Our internal agentic workflow has led to incredible time savings while increasing the quality of product we deliver to clients. For every page we provide SEO recommendations for, we look at 12 different variables that we've mapped to Google search patents or court testimony on how they assess a page to determine its ability to rank for target keywords. We developed Barracuda, an AI-powered agentic workflow tool that helps do the research and score content on these 12 variables. It has allowed us to reduce the research time from 4 hours to 4 minutes, allowing our team more time to provide prescriptive recommendations that improve a page's rankings in the search results. I'd like to take a couple minutes to demo Barracuda so you can see how an AI agentic workflow works and how it can help with e-commerce marketing efforts for SEO. Barracuda is our internal AI-powered agentic workflow engine. Its primary function is to research the 12 variables most likely to impact a page's ability to rank for important keywords. To get started, a user navigates to a web page that they want Barracuda to research for SEO improvement opportunities. They enter into a form, the URL, primary keywords, and the business goals of the web page. 2 URLs for web pages from ranking competitor pages are then added to the report to review during the research process. A few other options, such as reviewing entities and running the entire research process, is selected. Next, they'll submit the form, and the AI agentic workflow will get started. We've sped up the video, but after about 4 minutes, the agentic workflow will have completed its research and the report will be ready for review. Barracuda will have looked at all 12 variables that are important for SEO-level recommendations. These include search intent, facts, competitor analysis, and content gaps, followed by title tag and meta description improvement options. Barracuda also reviews the content on the page versus other questions Google shares. People also ask related to the target keyword and identifies if the page answers that question or not. Next, the entire text content on a page will be semantically scored using text embeddings versus the target keyword, allowing our SEO team to see which parts of the page copy needs updated to increase semantic relevance. Images and their alt text are reviewed, and the results of passing the page copy and that of competitors through Google's natural language processing API help identify any potentially missing entities and how they can be added to the page. Topical authority versus competitors is assessed, and opportunities on the site where internal links can be added are also provided. Finally, when the SEO team member has completed reviewing the report, they can push the recommendations to Google Docs for further refinement and recommendations. We'd love to share Barracuda with you and demonstrate how we can help your SEO efforts through the assistance of AI-powered agentic workflows. Scan the QR code or reach out to us at gofishdigital.com to set up a time. Like we've done at Go Fish Digital, e-commerce businesses are using agentic workflows today to help improve user experience and reduce costs. Sephora's AI chatbots already handle 70% of customer queries. This had led to cost reduction of 90%. Additionally, Amazon's AI-powered ad creatives have reduced production costs by 80%. In addition to agentic workflows, autonomous agents can act more independently. These, more human-like assistants can complete tasks with a wide range of tools. For example, prompting an AI agent to conduct competitor analysis may lead to them viewing a competitor's web page and identifying trends in price changes. One example of an autonomous agent is ChatGPT Operator by OpenAI. This agent has been given the tools of a web browser, a keyboard, and a mouse. You can give it a prompt like, conduct a Google search for men's wedding rings and store the pricing of rings on the first page in this Google Sheet. ChatGPT Operator will then set out navigating the web and storing the data it finds in the Google Sheet. Different business cases will need different types of AI agents. Finding the right balance that leads to increased efficiency, better customer experience, and improved strategy will help your 2025 e-commerce marketing efforts soar. In fact, 70% of Fortune 500 companies are already integrating AI-driven automation into their workflows. Now, I'd like to talk a bit about how generative AI can assist with e-commerce marketing efforts related to creating images, video, and more. AI allows us to generate media at scale and at lower costs. Images can be generated with your products in different settings, on different people, and for different audiences in minutes based on text inputs and similar image reference. They're also perfect for product marketing efforts. Brands using AI-generated media have saved up to $1 in marketing costs. In addition to images, text can be generated at scale for SEO efforts or to scale your brand voice. We've helped organizations create fine-tuned models that know their brand voice and allowed for generating thousands of product descriptions in minutes. The copy matched their brand voice, used the words they'd use, and avoided the ones they wouldn't. AI-powered content creation from text to videos is revolutionizing the speed at which we can update information related to large inventories. This includes creating marketing assets at scale. Midjourney is an impressive AI-powered image generation and editing tool. We use it to help scale image asset creation. In addition to being able to create images with just a text input, you can also weight the output based on other source images, select portions of an image for editing, and have it generate an update just on the selected section. Midjourney is great for creating marketing material for ads and personalized marketing campaigns. One of the most impressive AI generative tools in 2025 that e-commerce companies should be taking advantage of is avatars. Tools like HeyGen allow for you to generate a video avatar from text, a photo, or even real-life video. These avatars can then be set in different environments and create personalized video with lifelike activity for e-commerce marketing campaigns. In fact, one of HeyGen's recent features include the ability to upload images of your products that they then take and have the avatar wear. You can upload images of clothing, headphones, and other products, and AI will add them to the avatar. You can even create promotional videos for a product with an avatar that's perfect for use with your marketing efforts on social platforms. What does this all mean for e-commerce businesses? Marketing efforts in 2025 should integrate AI to increase scale, personalization, and improve your customer experience. Improving search and discovery, product recommendations, and creating dynamic content will increase customer satisfaction and lead to more sales. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about the tools that we recommend and use to help with integrating AI into marketing efforts. For GoFish, the AI tools we use the most include ChatGPT for improving and generating text, Barracuda, the internal SEO agentic workflow we demoed, Midjourney for image generation, HeyGen for avatars and video creation for social marketing, and Sora for generating video for a wide range of marketing efforts. In fact, we used almost all of these tools in creating this webinar, including HeyGen to create this avatar. The video to the right is the real me. Finally, let's talk about the key takeaways that you should have for your 2025 marketing plans for your e-commerce business. Large language models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini are driving customer engagement, but they can also be used to scale your content automation and personalization efforts in marketing. AI agents are here and can help increase efficiency and complete tasks. Using AI to generate images, videos, and avatars will let you take your e-commerce marketing to the next level. Using AI technologies like vector embeddings can be used to improve personalization and product recommendations, leading to a boost in conversions. Combining agentic workflows and autonomous agents can help your organization scale quickly. AI can help improve your marketing efforts today. There are a lot of misconceptions related to AI. The reality is that people and businesses that use AI to enhance and improve the work that they do will be far ahead of the competition. AI tools and API calls to LLMs are affordable, allowing you to scale strategies with a fraction of the financial impact. AI is modernizing marketing efforts, and utilizing it now will get you ahead. One of the questions we get asked most is, how do I show up in ChatGPT? We've spent a lot of time understanding how LLMs like ChatGPT work, and know that the best way to improve your visibility is through answer engine optimization. This falls into three components. 1. SEO, but with an additional focus on Bing. Bing powers a significant portion of ChatGPT's search function, so optimizing your site for Bing can increase the likelihood that you appear in ChatGPT's search results. 2. The next most impactful way to have your e-commerce business appear in answer engines like ChatGPT is through digital PR. Digital PR campaigns help get your brand and your target keywords included on a wide range of websites. Those brand citations near your target keywords increase the statistical likelihood that your brand should be included when providing answers to people that need your products. 3. Traditional PR. ChatGPT will research and understand your business better through in-depth articles on trusted publications that talk about your business and what you do. A strategic approach to these offerings will help your e-commerce business appear in ChatGPT and help you gain traffic from a source more consumers are turning to every day. We'd love to set up a time with you individually to learn about your e-commerce business and marketing goals and map out a plan for how you can leverage AI in 2025. Scan the top QR code to schedule a consultation, or the one just below it to learn about our upcoming webinars related to AI. Thank you for your time today and look forward to hearing from you.